If Windows is flagging the icuuc51 library DLL as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. Before we dive into the icuuc51 library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the icuuc51 library, the international components for Unicode, Common, Library, v51. It manages the localized unmanaged routines for character set conversion, localized normalization, and localized string manipulation, mandatory for localized internationalization in modern cross-platform software. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Unlike Windows core files, icuuc51 library DLL belongs to the specialized ICU environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the icuuc51 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing icuuc51 library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with icuuc51 library and PC Health. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing icuuc51 library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.